Hi guys, good morning. What's up? It's me again, your friend Russell, and we're here in our Marafic project. Actually, the plant is beside us. You can see there from the window. And as of now, time check. Today is January 24, 11:15 a.m. And together with me is our very good friend from the right, Master Boyet. Yeah. That was Master Boyet in charge of the STG group. And the front of us, fronting is our very good friend and driving with us, Mr. Vector. Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah.
Rock and roll.
Yeah. Yeah, rock and roll. And then on the right, that was part Melvin. Yeah.
Hello.
Naabutan pa tayo.
Melvin.
Nasa mukha lang yan. Wala sa dugo.
And then you can see from here, that was our project. And then that was our project, yeah. That was the STG building. And then you can see some small man here holding some flag. Yeah. And then back to me. We plan to going out to take a lunch. And then we will eat some chicken right there.
Yan ay wala pang matatagal yan diyan dahil wala pang mga kurbol diyan.
We will go to the restaurant.
Nakalagay na yung number 2.
I don't know what are they talking about. I don't understand them actually. So, can you speak English, my friend?
Yeah.
Hello.
How are you?
Okay, very good. Very good man.
So that was our project. Yeah, it was ongoing steel structure, and there was a pipe rack over there. And the next is the tank. Yeah, right there. We're going out.
Hey man, what the fuck are you doing? What the fuck are you doing?
What the? You hear that?
Ano sa Tagalog note?
Huh?
Pagod ako.
Hello, what's up?
Yeah.
What's up, man?
Yeah. How about Melvin? What can you say, Mr. Melvin?
Melvin.
Pagod ako.
What? What?
Ang ibig sabihin na sinasabi nila, pagod din sila. Yun na yun.
That's all he can say. Actually,
Puyat,
maybe he doesn't know how to speak English because he's puyat. And then our friend here, Victor, is the owner of the car and he's driving right now. What can you say, Boss Victor?
Rock and roll.
Yeah, rock and roll, yeah.
It's Sunday morning.
Yan ang mga banat. You hear that? And we're on the gate right now. Yeah, this is the...
Gusto mo yung parang announcer.
This is the road going to the main street.
Part. Anong gusto mo yung sasalitain yung parang announcer?
It depends. Are you ready to rumble?
Okay. Gusto mo pala ng announcer eh.
Okay. Mr. Melvin will give us his announcer talk.
Lapit-lapit mga kaibigan, kung pero pang natitirang mga barya sa inyong dokbutan, inyo na pagkakapagsapalaran dito po sa Rolling Stone. Yung ba yung announcer na gusto mo?
Sige, tirahin mo.
Kasi gusto mo pala yung mga announcer ng radyo. Akala ko yung announcer.
This is Mike Enriquez.
Akala ko pala. Excuse me. Oh, hindi ko alam yan.
Mas maganda pa mamaya pagkakain para kilik na lang yung maririnig.
Yeah, that was our project right there. There's that is called the pipeline. Still ongoing progress, and that building that will be that was the Al Yamama steel fabrication. Oh shit, my Bravo is vibration. Shut down.
Pero alam niyo kanina mali.
Itlog na
Sinangag, saka ano yun?
Ayos din pala eh. Ano ulam niyo?